In this video, I'll show you how to stop screenshots from cluttering your Samsung gallery. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Next, scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. Then select Screenshots and Screen Recorder. Now tap on Save Screenshots In. You'll now be able to choose a different folder where your screenshots will be saved. Select Internal Storage and then either choose an existing folder or create a new folder specifically for your screenshots. Once you've selected your preferred folder, tap Save. From now on, all new screenshots will be stored in that folder instead of being mixed in with your regular photos. This can help keep your Samsung gallery more organized and make it easier to find your personal photos. And that's it. That's how you can stop screenshots from appearing in your main photo collection in Samsung Gallery. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more Samsung and Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.